Today I just wanted to go through a nice little tune called Big Ben the Clock. Just a little chime that happens on a clock. One of those old-fashioned ones. Okay, here we go. So we'll play through it first. Really easy one to start with. Okay, so the first note we're going to start with is E. So the first string with no fingers, easy. E, and the second note is a C. So that's second string, first fret. And then a D with your third finger on the third fret of the second string. And then the third string open, a G. So that's E, C, D, G. And then the same notes in opposite order. G, D, E, C. First fret on the second string. So that second bar. G, third string open. D, second string, third fret. E, first string open, and C, second string, first fret. And the second line, we just do it all again. So we've got E, C, second string, first fret, D, second string, third fret, G, third string open, then again, third string open, G, D, second string, third fret, E, first string open, and C, second string, first fret. So the whole lot again from the start. E, C, D, G, G, D, C, E. D, G, G, D, E, C. And that's it. That was easy, wasn't it? Well done. Okay, right, that's all for this one today. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing you next time.